How to fix Snapchat friend request not showing. Please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Snapchat. Tap app info. Go to storage usage. Clear cache. Now close this. Go to Play Store. Search for Snapchat. Update the app to the latest version. Also check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And also log out Snapchat app and then log in again to check if this is working or not. And at last, if not any option work, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app.